Hey Chemistry Crew, Mr. Collier here. I want to show you how to create a graph of multiple data within Google Sheets. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type your data into a Google Sheet. What I recommend doing is put your x-axis first and then all of your y-axes that you might want to include. If you just want to make a single graph, you're just going to highlight the two, but we are going to be making, in this particular example, a graph with 3 different lines on the y-axis. So we're going to do our 3 pieces of data, and we're going to highlight all of it. Okay, so this is the lab where we did different amounts of salt within water and boiled it to see what temperature it boils at. Once you've highlighted all that data, again, x-axis first, then your 3 y-axes, you're going to hit the little chart icon, which when you put your cursor over it, it says insert chart, right? So we're going to insert that chart. The nice thing is it's pretty much going to do the rest for us. So now it has made a chart for us, a line graph. We can customize a few things, and number one is that title is a little bit clunky, so I might come up with a better title for it, and that is under Customize. Under Customize, there's Chart and Axis titles, and then you can change the title of the graph to be something a little bit more concise. The other thing that you should change is under this drop-down menu, you should give the vertical axis a title, because you'll notice on mine it did not give it a title, so I'll want to label that y-axis so that we know that it's the temperature in degrees Celsius. One other thing you can do is, if you are interested, you can take this chart and throw it into its own sheet, and then you can see it real big. So that's pretty much it. Now you have a graph that'll help you analyze your data. I hope you found that helpful. Have a good one.